So what's in the Power BI Level 1B course? Well, following from the Power BI Level 1A course, where you're able to connect to data and transform that data so it's easily understood by yourself and by others, the Level 1B looks at creating reports. It looks at creating reports using many different types of visuals. So in that course, I'll show you how to create charts, whether they be pie charts, donuts, waterfall, ribbons, bar charts, all different types of charts. I'll also show you how to create tables and how to create matrices, which are very similar to pivot tables. I'll also show you how you can create gauges and how you can create funnel charts. The other thing I'll show you how to do is create cards and multi-row cards. I'll even show you how to create maps based on geospatial data. I'll also show you how to create decomposition trees, which are very useful, and Q&A visuals. So pretty much all of the visuals, the majority of the visuals, including smart narration, I will show you how to create those in the Power BI Level 1B course. And then I'll show you how to publish your report from Power BI Desktop to the Power BI service. I'll even show you how to create a layout that's conducive to a mobile device. So if they're looking at your Power BI report, not using a computer screen, but in fact using a mobile device, they'll be able to see it and easily navigate around your Power BI report. So it's a real emphasis is reports, visualizations, and publishing in the Level 1B course.